Sarajevo, nestled in a valley and hugged by the Dinaric Alps, is the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina. This captivating city has witnessed centuries of history, from the Ottoman Empire to the Yugoslav era. Despite its turbulent past, Sarajevo thrives today as a vibrant blend of East and West. The city's strategic location at the crossroads of trade routes brought prosperity but also conflict. Sarajevo has survived numerous sieges and occupations, leaving an indelible mark on its character. The most recent siege, during the Bosnian War of the 1990s, is a stark reminder of the city's resilience. Despite its tumultuous past, Sarajevo today is a city brimming with life. The scars of war are visible, but they are overshadowed by the warmth of its people and the energy of its streets. Sarajevo is a city that stays with you long after you leave. Its beauty lies not just in its architecture or its history, but in the spirit of its people. Sarajevo is a melting pot of cultures and religions. For centuries it has been home to Bosniaks, Serbs, Croats and Jews, each leaving their mark on the city's cultural landscape. This rich tapestry is evident in Sarajevo's architecture, cuisine and traditions. The Ottoman influence is visible in the city's bazaars, a bustling bazaar with mosques, craft shops and traditional coffee houses. The Austro-Hungarian period left behind grand buildings and a love for coffee and pastries. This blend of East and West gives Sarajevo a unique charm. Walking through the city, you'll hear the call to prayer from a mosque, followed by the ringing of church bells. This cultural mix is not just a matter of history, it's a living, breathing part of Sarajevo's identity. Sarajevo is a city of landmarks, each with a story to tell. The iconic Latin bridge spanning the Miljacka River is where Archduke Franz Ferdinand was assassinated in 1914, an event that triggered World War I. The Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, built in the 16th century, is a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture and a symbol of Sarajevo's Islamic heritage. The Sarajevo Tunnel, dug during the Bosnian War, served as a lifeline for the besieged city. These landmarks are not just tourist attractions, they are integral parts of Sarajevo's story. Visiting them is a journey through the city's rich and often turbulent past. Each landmark offers a glimpse into a different facet of Sarajevo's history. Today, Sarajevo is a city reborn. The scars of war are healing, and the city is reclaiming its place as a cultural hub. The streets are alive with music, art, and a youthful energy. Cafes overflow with locals enjoying strong coffee and lively conversation. The city hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, celebrating film, music, and art. Sarajevo's resilience is an inspiration. It's a city that has known hardship but never lost its spirit. A visit to Sarajevo is a journey into the heart of the Balkans, a region marked by both beauty and tragedy. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets and friendly faces behind.